Opening balance. It means, for example, your company running many years, you are running your company for maybe example for 10 years or 15 years or 5 years you are running your company. On the past previous period, you don't have any application to manage your accounts. At present, you are purchasing for AccroBIZ ERP. So on the condition, you want to add your previous all balances from here. It means, for example, you have lots of receivables because ABC customer, you want to get back this much money, and this customer this much money. This is customer opening balance, and you have to pay back maybe supplier this much, another supplier this much. You have many suppliers outstanding liability also, and maybe you taken the loan or your cash account, bank accounts balances, everything you can enter as a opening balance, because by the middle you are implementing the software, the previous history, everything you want to add it as a opening balance. I'll show you how to add the opening balance. First I will create one ledger, for example one customer ledger. After that, in this customer opening balance I want to enter. So I'm going to click here, heads, customers, and name. For example, ATK Trading. This is one customer. I'm not going to fill completely because the customer address, details, tax number, everything you need to fill. Just I'm going to click close. So the customer created. I want to add the outstanding balance. Just now I created, I'm going to click here, show balance. Presently 0, there is no balance. I want to add as a opening balance one particular amount. So I'm going to click here, transaction. You will see here opening stock. Near you can see one small arrow. You can click it in this arrow. There is different kind of opening balance. So opening balance, payable, receivable, cash or bank, fixed asset, and another opening balance. In this condition, because now we create as a customer. So customer means your receivables, because your customer have to pay back your money. So you can enter here opening balance, receivables. You can enter any date up to today date or any previous date you can enter, but now I am adding for this date. One side will be credit side already locked as a opening. You cannot able to change that one. Here you can search ATK Trading or new customer. If you have any reference like that, or until 2022 like that, you have any reference, you can give it here. And what is the amount? 2,500, for example. This amount have outstanding balance, previous balance for the ATK Trading. I'm going to click it save. If there is general printout available, if you want you can print it, otherwise you can close it here. Now we can check outstanding balance for the particular customer ATK Trading. The present balance will be this much, outstanding balance available. You can check the statement also. You can click it here, statement of accounts. You can start standard statement. You will see the outstanding statement also as here. Now I'll create one bank account, and I'll show you how to add the opening balance for the bank account. So I'm going to click here, heads and ledgers. Here you can see the bank accounts. At present the available bank account will be here. I want to add another one bank account. So I'm going to click here. This is one new bank account, and I'm going to click close. Presently the new created bank balance presently doesn't have any balance, it's 0. I'm going to check this, there is the balance. In this bank presently doesn't have any balance. So I want to add a opening balance. You can click here, transaction, and you can click in this arrow, opening stock, in this arrow, opening balance. There is opening balance, cash or bank. You can use this one, opening balance, cash or bank. And you can select the date. Opening will be locked, and here I'm going to enter Ithma Bank. This is the bank. I can give the narration or something here, and 5,000 I have balance on that bank. Just enter it already. Now I'll show you one supplier outstanding also. So I'm going to create one new supplier here. Just heads, suppliers. All supplier will be listed here. I want to create one new supplier. CK International, for example, CK International. This is new supplier, and presently I don't have any outstanding balance, so I want to add as a opening balance. So here transaction and opening stock, and click this arrow. It will be opening balance payable because that is supplier. We want to add opening balance as payable. You can click it here. So here debit side will be as a payable, debit side will be opening. As a receivables or assets, it will be credit side will be opening. It will be opposite. System will manage. You don't worry about that. Whenever you are clicking the opening balance payable, system will be located here. So CK International, and I can give any reference here. For example, 8,000 I have liability for this account. I'm going to click save. Now I can check the statement also for the CK Trading for the heads and suppliers. I can search here CK Trading, CK International. Presently I have this much liability to that account. It will affect in your trial balance, profit and loss account, everywhere also I'll show. For example, for accounts, trial balance, from between period you can select the trial balance. So all account will be affected everywhere in the opening balance also. Thank you.
For download, www.accrobiz.com.